So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqas Tech. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone back camera not working after new iOS 17 beta update. Lot of iPhone user facing that issue, even also facing that issue. After fix that I'm creating that video. So how to fix that issue? Let's start video without wasting any time. Before moving to the videos, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming informative videos. Okay, firstly move to the solution 1. Solution 1 is open iPhone settings. Okay, in settings you need to tap on camera icon. You can see appears on screen camera. Okay, make sure your camera formats and all settings working well. Okay, so turn on these settings to use iPhone camera. Okay, if that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open your iPhone settings again. In settings you need to tap on general. Okay, now scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, after tap that you need to tap on reset and reset all setting. After reset all setting you try the camera. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is force to restart your iPhone. It's dependent on you that which model you are using. Just force to restart your iPhone and then try to use your iPhone camera. It will fix. Make sure you don't have any hardware issue. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone settings, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. Okay, make sure you have enough space to use your iPhone camera. If you don't have any space, just make some space and then try to again use the iPhone camera. So friends, by doing that simple step you can easily fix that your iPhone camera not working after update iOS 17. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.